Yes, super na jud. Uy, naa jud. Sus, grabe. Unya, kuan pa ni siya. Kanang... Uy, na-stuck siya. Patay, nganong ni Agi diha nga. Oh my God. Oh. Look guys. Na-stuck pag yun siya. Ngano kay na siyang nagtuyok-tuyok. Asa man siya paingon. Di na siya kaatras. Grabe oh. We are here now in Rhode Island guys. This is what happening right now. Look, there is a lot of... It's stuck.
Hey, give me your phone. I'm gonna put you in the video. Let's say this is a brave woman. She out here with a little sweater.
So, oh my God. Nag-aso-aso. Grabe na kayo. Over there. Our truck is somewhere there on that line guys, but it's hiding. But this is the snow right now in Rhode Island. This is my first time here in Rhode Islands like this, the winter time area, that it's a heavy storm. Oh my God, really? That, I think that truck is stuck up. That's stuck up because it's thicker. Look, thicker and thicker. But pero so ako wala ko simple na ko guys, so wala ko jacket. I feel like it's not totally cold right now because the snow is out. So feel na ko okay ra jud kistanan, pero nang lagom ako ngabil tungod sa kabugnaw. Pero feel na ko di jud kaayo tugnaw guys, but grabe ka kusog jud sa snow. Super. This one is, I don't know how many inches right now. I'm doing laundry inside, so nigawas ra ko gadiyo. Pero grabe na jud kay sana ng snow diri, oh. Grabe na jud kay ang snow diri, guys. Ini siya murag nag-atras-atras siya, nagusog na siya kuan kay baga na kaayo. So, yes, this is Rhode Island, West Greenwich. Yeah, West Greenwich. Namin sa truck stop ko. Grabe na jud, unsa jud nakakusog ka snow. Oh, gaungot-ungot na siya guys, nagungot-ungot kay naglisod na gyud siya og asa siya agi. Kana siya nga truck niya. Kini po siya nga truck nga long trailer. Nagtuyok-tuyok man ni siya kanina. Asa kay siya punta nga close man ang road. So nagtuyok-tuyok siya, na stuck up siya diha. So this is what's happening. Lagom grabe ko look. So yes, grabe na, di na siya, grabe na, hapit na natabunan ang mga truck og maybe later tonight it's gonna be covered, but it's not cold.
Which one?
It's not cold.
You're crazy.
It's not cold.
Oh, yes it is.
Yes, grabe na jud kayo. Right now, it's starting plowing. Plow. Naghimo mountain guys. Oh, this one I can plow if I want to. They're making plowing para ang mga truck ay so that the truck gonna be makaikot sila guys. Makaagi. Oh my God, over there. Oh. Grabe na, oh. Diha dapit among truck. O dito dapit, di lang makita. Because it's short. But that's the fuel island and the other side. Oh, grabe guys. Oh. But it's gonna be getting thicker, getting worse later. Ewan ko, bakit saan yan sila pupunta? Oh, close naman ang road. Dawan, oh, naghimog mountain ang snowplow. It's making mountain guys. Oh, grabe na cute. Oh, dasok oh. I-bulldoze cute guys. Oh my God, really? Siripod usa, aginod asa kay ni siya punta. na lang gini siya. Ito, nita siguro parking pero maglisod na sila atras. So, inikahilis ra ba ning snow kay mahimong tubig. Magbaka na sad ni akong ulong. Sige kong gawat-gawat. Ora kog nabuang.